Morning student, standard 8, subject mathematics, topic number 8, quadrilateral construction and types. In previous video, we have to see rectangles. If all angles of quadrilateral are right angle, then it is called as rectangle. Then we have to see some properties of the rectangle, that is opposite sides of the rectangle are congruent. Then we have to see diagonals of rectangle are congruent. Then we have to see diagonals of rectangle bisect each other. Then we have to see next type of quadrilateral, that is square. If all sides and all angles of a quadrilateral are congruent, then it is called as a square. म्हणजे चारी बाजू आणि चारी कोण त्या ठिकाणी एकसारखे असतील त्या चौकोनाचे, तर त्याला आपण स्क्वेअर असं त्या ठिकाणी म्हटलं होतं. Then here also we have to see some properties of the sphere, that is diagonals are of equal length, that is they are त्या ठिकाणी congruent. Diagonals bisect each other. Then we have to say diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Then we have to say diagonal bisect the opposite angle. These properties we have to see in previous video. Today we have to see another type of the quadrilateral. It is a rhombus. Rhombus means if all sides of a quadrilateral are equal, means काय आलं त्या ठिकाणी congruent आलं. If all sides of quadrilaterals are equal, then it is called as काय म्हटले त्या ठिकाणी rhombus असं म्हटलेलं आहे. आता all sides of quadrilateral are equal length, that is congruent घेतल्या, then it is called as a rhombus. Here we have to draw diagram of a rhombus, that is a quadrilateral काय घेतलं त्या ठिकाणी ABCD. This ABCD is a rhombus. आपण व्याख्येमध्ये काय सांगितलं, if all sides of a quadrilateral are of equal length, that is congruent असतील, then it is called as a rhombus. Here we have to measure the all sides of a quadrilateral. म्हणजे आपण all sides of quadrilateral इथे घेऊया. आता quadrilateral having four sides, that is length AB. Then we have to take length BC. Then we have to take length CD. Then we have to take length AD. आता आपण फोर साइड्स काय करूया त्या ठिकाणी मेजर करूया बाय यूजिंग द काय घेतलं त्या ठिकाणी रूलर. आता या दिस साइड AB having weight, that is 5 cm. Then we have to take the side BC, it is also 5 cm. Then we have to take the side, that is CD, having length of 5 cm, and another length, that is AD, having length also 5 cm. Means काय सांगितलं आपण डेफिनेशन नुसार all sides of quadrilateral are of काय सांगितलं equal length. Therefore here we have to write all sides of quadrilateral are of काय झालं त्या ठिकाणी equal length. म्हणजे all sides having length किती घेतली आपल्याला, किती मिळाल्या 5 cm. 5 5 5 आणि 5. Therefore it is काय घेतलं त्या ठिकाणी rhombus. Here we have to draw काय करणार आहे त्या ठिकाणी diagonal, that is when we have to join the point B and D. Join काय केलं point B and D. This BD it is काय झालं त्या ठिकाणी one diagonal. Another या ठिकाणी घेणार आहे, we have to take the point C and D. Here we have to join the point A and C. That is we have to take another diagonal. That is काय त्या ठिकाणी ACB ला काय घेतलं त्या ठिकाणी another diagonal. So these two diagonals intersect at this point, and this point is known as काय घेणार आहे त्या ठिकाणी M घेतलं. आता काय झालं, here also we have to take the four angles now. आता आपण काय करूया, we have to measure the angle काय घेऊया A, that is काय घेतलं ना B A B. This is angle DAB is a measure by using the काय घेऊया आपण त्या ठिकाणी protractor. By using the protractor we have to measure the angle काय घेऊया त्या ठिकाणी DAB. This angle, that is 10 20 30 40 50 60 65 67 आणि 68. 68. Then we have taken the measure CBA. CBA. protractor. Then we have to measure the angle CBA. CBA मोजायचं म्हणजे ABC चालतंय. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110. आणि इथे किती आलाय? 1, 2, 3. सॉरी 1, 2. That is measure किती मिळालं? 112. आता आपण measure करायचं BCD. BCD. Angle BCD, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 67, 68. That is 68. And another angle CDA. आपण measure करूया. Angle CDA 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 112, 11 आणि 12. 112. आता इथं आपण जर बघितलं, here we have to see that is काय मिळालं? This angle DAB and this angle BCD is equal to 68 मिळालं. Means काय मिळालं? This angle 68 degree. This angle also काय मिळालं? 68 degree. This angle that is 112 degree and this angle किती मिळाला? 112 degree. Then काय करणार आहे त्या ठिकाणी? Measure the two parts of here काय झालं? We have to taken the diagonal घेतलं. आता हा 62 असेल तर आपण काय मेजर करू शकतो? अँगल DAC हा आपण घेऊ शकतो, म्हणजे हा अँगल. आणि अनदर अँगल कुठला घेऊ शकतो? CAB. दिस अँगल आपण घेऊ इथं अँगल DAC which is equal to आणि अनदर अँगल CAB. Here we have to see this angle DAB. This angle DAB, when we have to draw this diagonal, that is diagonal AC. Due to this diagonal AC, this angle DAB is divided into two parts. Here we have to measure the each angle of this angle is that is part. That is first angle DAC and another angle CAB. Here we have to measure. Then here first we have to measure the angle BAC. Here we have to take one protractor 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That is this angle 34. That is BAC, which is equal to 34 degree. Then we have to also measure the angle DAC. This angle here we have to measure DAC 10, 20, 30, 31, 2, 3 and 4. Here this angle also काय मिळालं त्या ठिकाणी 34 डिग्री आम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी मिळालेला आहे. राईट. आता आपण परत काय करायचं आहे? ऑल्सो हियर वी हॅव टू मेजर द अँगल काय करूया? CBA. हा अँगल काय झालाय? ड्यू टू दिस त्या ठिकाणी डायगोनल DB. दिस अँगल ऑल्सो डिवाइडेड इनटू काय झालं त्या ठिकाणी टू पार्ट्स. त्यातला फर्स्ट अँगल आहे हियर वी हॅव टू रिटन हियर अँगल CBD which is equal to an angle DBA which is equal to this angle CBD and this angle DBA. These two angles here we have to काय करणार आहे त्या ठिकाणी मेजर आपण त्या ठिकाणी करणार आहोत. राईट. Here first we have to measure the angle that is DBA. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55 and this side is that ठिकाणी 56. That is angle DBA 56. Then here we have to see that these two diagonals intersect. काय झालेले आहेत इंटरसेक्ट झाले. देन वी हॅव टू मेजर द काय करणार लेंथ ऑफ DM. ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ MB. Here we have to written length of DM which is equal to length of MB. Then also we have to measure length of AM and length of CM. Here we have to measure काय करूया आपण त्या ठिकाणी length of DM, length of MB. Also we have to measure the length of CM and length of AM. This is the distance DM. Here we have taken compass. By using the ruler, we have to measure this distance. That is length of DM, which is equal to 2.5 centimeter. This BM also having the length of 2.5 centimeter. Then we have to measure the distance AM. This distance we have taken in compass. By using the ruler, we have to measure this distance. This distance 4.2 centimeter. And this CM distance also here we have to measure. 4.2 centimeter. Means आपण here we have to see some properties of rhombus. आता rhombus मध्ये काय सांगितलं बघा आपल्याला. Here we have to all sides are काय सांगितलं equal length or काय सांगितलं congruent, then it is a rhombus. Then we have to see the another property, that is opposite angles of rhombus are काय त्या ठिकाणी congruent. Opposite angles म्हणजे angle BAB which is equal to 68 degree and angle BCD which is equal to 68 degree. म्हणजे this angle A and this angle C are काय त्या ठिकाणी opposite angles आहेत. A आणि C are opposite angle having काय सांगितलं त्या ठिकाणी equal measure. Then we have to also see that this angle D and this angle B also having the काय सांगितलं equal measure, that is angle CBA which is equal to 112 degree and angle CDA which is equal to 112 degree. That is B and D angle are also काय सांगितलं त्या ठिकाणी equal. Means here we have to take the property of rhombus. It is काय सांगितलं opposite angles of rhombus are काय सांगितलं त्या ठिकाणी congruent. म्हणजे opposite angle जे rhombus आहेत ते कसे मिळाले आम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी congruent मिळाले. Then काय सांगितलं diagonal bisector the opposite angles of काय सांगितलं त्या ठिकाणी rhombus. आता diagonal काय केले त्या ठिकाणी bisect opposite angle. Bisect करणे म्हणजे काय दुभाजने आपण म्हणतो. मग आपण जर बघितलं हा अँगल सांगितला होता DAB हा घेतला. हा अँगल काय केला बायसेक्ट झाला म्हणजे दुभागला. म्हणजे इथे दोन अँगल काय झाले फॉर्म झाले. वन अँगल झाला DAC आणि अनदर अँगल CAB झाला. हिअर ऑल्सो काय दिसतोय आम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी DCB हा अँगल सुद्धा कसा झाला अँगल DCA आणि अँगल ACB हे काय झाले बायसेक्ट झाले. देन ड्यू टू दिस काय सांगितलं DB दिस अँगल ऑल्सो काय झालं त्या ठिकाणी बायसेक्ट झाले. म्हणजे वन अँगल फॉर्म काय झाला DBA another angle DBC here formed. Also in this way here also we have taken another angle that is CBA. In this angle also काय झालं bisector, that is one angle is CDB and another angle DBA. Here also we have to measure this angle, that is angle DAC which is equal to 34 degree and angle CAB which is also equal to 34 degree. That is DAC which is काय आला 34 आला and CAB also it is equal to 34. Similarly here we have to measure the angle DBC, that is here we have to write DBC which is equal to 56 degree and another angle DBA which is also काय मिळालं त्या ठिकाणी 56. म्हणजे अँगल काय झालं त्या ठिकाणी बायसेक्ट झाले. म्हणजे 68 चे काय झाले त्या ठिकाणी बायसेक्ट झाले म्हणजे डिवायडेड बाय 2 केलं. तर here we have to get the value 34 and when we have to divide it by 112 by 2 then we have to get the here value काय झालं 56. म्हणजे काय सांगितलं here we have to see another property diagonal bisector opposite angles of काय सांगितलं त्या ठिकाणी rhombus. Third property here we have to take diagonals bisect each other and they are perpendicular to each other. Diagonal काय केले bisect each other झाले and they are perpendicular to each other. Bisect झाल्यावर काय झालं हा जो आहे this length dm which is equal to md and this length am which is equal to cm. Here we have taken dm which is equal to 2.5 centimeter, md it is also 2.5 centimeter, am which is equal to 4.2 centimeter and cm which is also equal to 4.2 centimeter. म्हणजे काय झालं त्या ठिकाणी डायगोनल्स बायसेक्ट इच अदर अँड दे आर परपेंडिक्युलर टू काय झाले त्या ठिकाणी इच अदर म्हणजे एकमेकाला काय आहेत परपेंडिक्युलर. हियर वी हॅव टू सी दॅट इज अँगल एम घेतला आपण घेतला हियर वी हॅव टू सी दॅट angle CMB which is equal to 90 degree, angle DMA which is also 90 degree. Here when we have to measure this angle, that is angle DMC, angle DMC which is also 90 degree, angle CMB which is also 90 degree. Means काय सांगितलं they are perpendicular to each other. Means in this way we have to see some properties of the rhombus here. Here we have to take a practice set 8.2. Question number 1. Draw a rectangle ABCD such that length AB is equal to 6 cm and length BC is equal to 4.5 cm. In rectangle we have to see the property that is opposite sides of a rectangle are काय होतात त्या ठिकाणी congruent आणि म्हणून opposite sides of rectangle are congruent by using this property. We have to draw the quadrilateral ABCD, that is rectangle ABCD. Here we have to take a diagram, rough diagram. That is here we have taken this rectangle A, B, C and D. Rough diagram मध्ये AB value किती आहे 6 cm. Then length BC which is equal to 4.5 cm. आपण काय सांगितलं होतं रेक्टेंगलच्या अपोजिट साइड कशा असतात त्या ठिकाणी अपोजिट साइड जे असतात त्या कॉंग्रुएंट म्हणजे ए बी हॅविंग 6 असेल तर डी सी ऑल्सो हॅविंग लेंथ किती असणार आहे 6 सेंटीमीटर, बी सी हॅविंग लेंथ 4.5 सेंटीमीटर आहे देअरफॉर लेंथ ए डी ऑल्सो हॅविंग लेंथ काय असणार आहे त्या ठिकाणी 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. देन बाय युजिंग द रूलर वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ काय करूया त्या ठिकाणी रेक्टेंगल ए बी सी डी. फर्स्ट हियर वी हॅव टू टेकन द लेंथ ए बी हॅविंग लेंथ दॅट इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. First we have to draw segment having length 6 centimeter. Name it is AB. Means this AB having the length 6 centimeter. Then सांगितले second कि BC BC having the value 4.5 centimeter. आपण प्रॉपर्टी मध्ये बघितलं होतं की डायगोनल्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल कॉंग्रुएंट आहेत आणि आपण सांगत असताना सांगितलं की रेक्टेंगलचे ऑल अँगल्स आर कसे असतात त्या ठिकाणी राईट अँगल्स असतात. ऑल अँगल्स आर राईट अँगल देअरफॉर हियर वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ काय करूया त्या ठिकाणी राईट अँगल. दिस इज अ राईट अँगल हियर वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ. दिस इज ऑल्सो काय घेतला त्या ठिकाणी राईट अँगल हियर वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ. देन we have to draw this segment. These two segments here we have to take. Then BC having the length of 4.5 centimeter. Take a 4.5 centimeter distance in compass. Here we have to take a 4.5 centimeter distance in compass. Take a steel point on point A. Make arc here. Then take a steel point on B. And we have to mark here. That is here we have to get the point that is BC having length 4.5 centimeter and this CD also having the length 4.5 centimeter because opposite sides of rectangle are common. This is a right angle. Then remaining distance that is CD घेतला तर CD किती येणार आहे त्या ठिकाणी here also we have to काय करू शकतो त्या ठिकाणी when we have to join these two points that is point C and D. This CD also having the length that is 6 centimeter and these angles are right angle. Means here by using the property of rectangle here we have to draw the rectangle ABCD having length AB having length 6 centimeter BC having length 4.5 centimeter, length CD having length 6 centimeter, and length AD having length 4.5 centimeter. Here we have to take a second example, that is draw a square WXYZ with the side 5.2 centimeter. Means here we have to draw square having a side that is 5.2 centimeter. When we have to see square, here we have to see some properties of a square, that is all sides and all angles are congruent. All sides and all angles are congruent असतील then it is a काय असतो त्या ठिकाणी square असेल. आणि म्हणून here we have to taken, here we have to given one side also. Here first we have to taken rough diagram W X Y Z having काय येणार आहे त्या ठिकाणी लेंथ all side, that is this side 5.2 centimeter, this side also 5.2 centimeter, this also 5.2 centimeter, and this side also काय आहे त्या ठिकाणी 5.2 centimeter. First here we have to draw the segment, that is WX having length 5.2 centimeter. WX having length 5.2 centimeter. आता हे 5.2 centimeter झाले. आता all angles are काय म्हणतो आपण त्या ठिकाणी right angle. हा right angle. Here we have to draw this right angle. Here also we have to draw the rectangle. By using the ruler, we have to join this line. Then take a distance 5.2 in compass. These angles are right angle. Here we have to take a distance 5.2 in compass. This distance, that is 5.2. Then still point taken on a X. We have to make a arc. That is this length, which is equal to 5.2 centimeter. This length also 5.2 centimeter. Then we have to join these 2 points. Then we have to join this point, that is WX, Y and Z. This side also having length 5.2 centimeter. Means rectangle, square means कैसे निकला था? All sides are कैसे निकला तो all sides and all angles are congruent. Then it is कैसे निकला तो अपन क्या निकालें square. By using this कैसे निकला property, we have to construct a square. Next example, draw a rhombus KLMN such that its side is 4 centimeter, measure of angle K is equal to 75 degree. और rhombus ची property सांगताना कैसे निकला था? If all sides of quadrilateral are of कैसे निकले त्या ठिकाणी equal length, that is a congruent. म्हणजे all sides जर equal असतील म्हणजे त्या congruent असतील तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे rhombus असं म्हणणार. Here we have to draw the काय म्हणणार आहे rough diagram for the rhombus, that is K L. This is a M and this is a N. All side having the length कैसे निकला 4 centimeter. All side having the length 4 centimeter. And one angle, that is measure of angle K is equal to काय दिला 75. आता measure of angle K is equal to 75 असेल तर हा this angle also काय असणार आहे त्या ठिकाणी 75. Opposite angles are काय म्हणतो आपण त्या ठिकाणी congruent. म्हणजे हा 75 असेल तर हा 75 आहे. आता हे रिमेनिंग अँगल आपल्याला काढायचे. ऑल अँगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल इज किती असतात त्या ठिकाणी 360 असते राईट. आपण काय केलं 75 प्लस 75 असं जर घेतलं तर ह्या दोघांची मेजर कशी मिळणार आहे त्या ठिकाणी 5 प्लस 5 10 मिळालं, 7 प्लस 7 14 प्लस 1 काय आलं 15 आलं. म्हणजे when we have to subtract 150 from the 360, then 0 minus 0 0, 6 minus 5 काय आलं 1 and 3 minus 1 काय आलं त्या ठिकाणी 12. मीन्स हियर वी हॅव टू गेट द व्हॅल्यू काय मिळालं 210 म्हणजे मेजर ऑफ अँगल एल अँड एन हा काय असणार आहे 210च्या हाफ असणार आहे. आपण याला 210ला काय केलं त्या ठिकाणी डिवाइड केलं 2 1 जा 2 2 1 जा 2 2 0 आला इथे वरला भाग जात नाही 10 फायदा मिळाला म्हणजे हियर वी हॅव टू गेट द मेजर दॅट इज अँगल एल अँड मेजर 105 अपोजिट अँगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट therefore it is also काय आलं त्या ठिकाणी 105 म्हणजे सम ऑफ ऑल अँगल्स ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल किती होती 360. आम्हाला एका अँगलचं मेजर माहित होतं ऑपोजिट अँगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट होते मग हा 75 असेल तर हा 75 आणि हे रिमेनिंग काढण्यासाठी आपण काय केलं 360 मधनं त्या दोघांची बेरीज वजाबाकी केली आणि राहिलेलं जी आलेली बेरीज आहे आलेली जी वजाबाकी आहे त्या वजाबाकीला मी डिवायडेड बाय काय केलं 2 केलं हे दोन अँगल्स आम्हाला इथे मिळाले म्हणजे बाय युजिंग दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन we have to construct the rhombus ALMN. First here we have to draw the segment having length 4 cm that is KL. KL having length 4 cm. KL 4 cm झालं. आता K चं मेजर किती सांगितलं 75 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 and this काय झालं त्या ठिकाणी 75. This is the angle having measured 75. Then we have taken the angle that is L having length 105. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and this is a 105. Then काय सांगितले this distance LM काय 4 cm. Therefore here we have taken a distance 4 cm in compass. Here we have made a arc that is this point it is a M point. Then we have to take a still point L. We also draw the काय केला त्या ठिकाणी arc आणि this is a M point that is this length having 4 cm. And this is also having length 4 cm. And here join the point that is N and M. Also having the length 4 cm. When we have to measure this angle, that is angle M जर तुम्ही measure केला तर किती पाहिजे तो 75 degree. Here we have to measure the angle 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and this is a 75. And this angle that is 145. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and this is a 100. This angle having measure 105 degree and this angle having the measure 75 degree. So by using this information we have to calculate that we have to construct the quadrilateral KLM.